Friends, today I would like to discuss one important topic which is generally skipped or left out during our study in the class. That is the world standard or the standard of measurement of different fundamental physical quantities. Every day we are dealing with measurement. Measurement we know, actually measurement means it is the comparison, comparison, comparison with a standard. A standard value has already been fixed for the measurement, whatever it may be, for the measurement of any quantities in the, suppose we are going to market and purchasing potatoes, 6 kg potatoes. You give me 6, we are asking to the vendor to give us 6 kg potatoes, then this 6 kg is 6 times of 1 kg, which has been fixed. 1 kg has been defined, already defined or fixed. This is the standard of mass, and with this standard of mass actually we are comparing, making the comparison and doing our measurement in our day to day life. 6 kg means 6 times of 1 kg or the standard of mass. Like that, the standard of length has been also fixed, that is 1 meter in SI system or international system of units, 1 meter. If we are asking for 6 meter of cloth, then what we are doing? It is 6 times of 1 meter. We are comparing whatever the amount we are purchasing, we are comparing that amount with the standard, or that amount has been or is being compared with the fixed standard. Already the standard has been fixed, 1 meter. Suppose if we are dealing with this time 25 seconds, suppose someone takes 25 seconds to do some work or to travel a distance, then we are comparing with 1 second. That means 20 times of 1 second, or the fixed standard of time, 1 second. Like that, there are, we know that there are 7 fundamental physical quantities. For all the 7 fundamental physical quantities, this is for your mass, this is for your length, this is for your time. Like that, other 4 fundamental quantities are your temperature. For temperature, 1 Kelvin has been fixed. For our amount of current, electric current, for current 1 ampere has been fixed. For amount of substance, 1 mole has been fixed. Like that, for intensity of light, 1 candela has been fixed. Like that, for all the 7 fundamental quantities, the different standard of measurements has been fixed, or the value has been fixed by the scientist and is being used throughout the world. A uniformity has been made, and that is being used or followed, accepted throughout the world. This question has not been asked, I think so, anywhere, but can be also asked in KBC, Kaun Banega Crorepati. What can be the question in KBC? During my discussion, the world standard I would tell you. It is interesting and we should know it first. First of all, we should know it actually, because we are dealing with it every day. With what we are dealing with every day, and we don't have information about that things, then it is a very unfortunate thing. So the topic is world standard. First we will discuss the standard of length. We know the standard of length is 1 meter in SI unit. It is 1 meter in SI unit. How this 1 meter was defined? That this much will be 1 meter, not more than that or not less than that. How it was defined by the scientist. It is interesting actually, and the question can be also asked for 1 crore in KBC, that based on what the standard of length 1 meter has been defined. The answer can be the based on the speed of light also, you can see. Here I am going to tell you the definition or how the 1 meter was defined. 1 meter is defined as the distance, it is the distance travelled by TREVELLED, travelled by light, LIGST. Light is one form of energy in vacuum, VACCUM, vacuum, in 1 by 29 crore 97 lakh 92,458 seconds. Friends, you can see, if we divide 1 by this big value, by this big figure, then you will get a very, very, very small figure, very, very small value, and that is the duration of time in second taken by the light to cover a distance or length, we can say, and that length has been fixed as 1 meter by the scientist and is being used throughout the world, has been accepted everywhere, and the uniformity for the standard of length is being considered. This way the standard of length has been defined. The next important standard of measurement that I am going to discuss is the standard of mass. Length, then mass. The standard of mass, we know every day we are also purchasing, dealing with the mass, that 1 kg potato, 2 kg tomato, 1 kg dal, 4 kg rice, all that things we are using these things, but we don't know that if we don't know how this 1 kg 1 kilogram was fixed, then it is, as I said, it is it may be one unfortunate thing. So we should know that how this 1 kg in actually SI unit, it is standard of mass 1 kg has been fixed or decided. It is very interesting, friend, and you can remember also, and for KBC also this can be the question that the 1 kg, the standard of mass 1 kilogram has been defined based on which of the following, question can be like that, and different choices can be given: platinum and iridium alloy, B platinum and cesium alloy, C platinum and gold alloy, D gold and rubidium alloy. Anything, any other things can be given in the different choices, and if you don't have any lifetimes, they are that the person has already lost all the lifelines, then it will be very tough question if he or she doesn't know. The answer is platinum and iridium alloy. How the scientists have done these things or created these things? Actually, the scientist created one cylinder out of platinum and iridium alloy. Alloy, you know, it is the mixture of more than two metals or metal and non-metals. Here the scientists have taken platinum and iridium. Platinum, they have taken 90% platinum and iridium 10%, and they have made one cylinder. The cylinder is the size of the cylinder is golf ball size. It is a very small ball size cylinder they have made, which width is 39 millimeter and height is also 39 millimeter, width and height same, and whatever is the mass of that cylinder has been taken as 1 kilogram. That what is the mass of that cylinder, that has been defined as 1 kilogram. Let's take the mass of that cylinder as 1 kg, and that has been sent to everywhere, and based on that all the nations accepted that accepted the mass of the standard mass, that means the 1 kg. And I think you have got that it is based on the cylinder created by the scientist out of the alloy, that is platinum and iridium. Iridium its atomic number is 77, platinum is 78, and next is gold. In the periodic table, you know it is 79, and gold is a valuable metal, you can say, and platinum is more valuable, more costlier than your gold, and it is a very rare metal, which is rare is costlier, and which is abundant is not costlier, that is very cheap also. And this thing, this cylinder, they have kept in the kept at International Bureau, BUREAU, Bureau of Weights and Measurement. You can say it is weights and measures, not measurement, measures, and it is at Paris. In Paris they have kept it, it is there. And the most important thing we should know that based on the cylinder, a ball size cylinder made of platinum and iridium, the mass of standard of mass has been decided, and that has been considered as 1 kilogram. Next thing you can ask, or you can find out also, that why they have taken platinum and iridium, not iron and any other thing. Actually, from the properties of the platinum is very dense, it is very DNAC dense, durable, it is hard, and highly dense it is, and durable, hard, and it is resistant. One of the important property is it is resistant, resistant to corrosion, corrosion. Corrosion, you know, it is the process of oxidation also, you can say, when the metals comes in contact with air, water, acid, etc., it gets oxidized. A reddish brown color layer is formed, the metal get destroyed. Because of this process, it is called rusting, also rust is formed, that is corrosion actually. And here this platinum is very resistant to your corrosion, it doesn't corrode easily when it comes in contact with acid or water or air. That is why they have taken this thing. This is the and other information, other properties of this platinum and iridium also you can find out from your chemistry book or any other resources. This is the thing with respect to your standard of mass, how 1 kg or 1 kilogram was fixed or defined by the scientist. A cylinder out of platinum and iridium, 90% platinum and your 10% iridium was made, and the mass of that was taken as 1 kilogram, and since then 1 kilogram is being accepted and being used by us. Next is the, I think you have got it, next is the standard of time. Standard of time. Friends, it is also interesting how 1 second was defined in SI unit. In 1 second was defined. Actually 1 second was or is defined based on the vibration of CeSium, cesium atom. You know cesium atom, cesium is a metal which is in liquid state, and the vibration, the atom always remains in a vibrating state. It vibrates, and based on the vibration of the cesium atom, the 1 second has been actually fixed, and that vibration has been considered as one of the important criteria for defining the standard of time 1 second, that is, and the times, how many times the cesium atom vibrates, that is important. It is 9,192 millions 6,31,770 times. It is a very big figures also. Here also you can find it, but you can remember this figure or you may not remember, but you should know that based on the, for vibrating this many times, for vibrating this many times, what is the duration or the time taken has been, the time taken has been decided or defined as 1 second. For vibrating this many times, the time taken by cesium atom is 1 second, or 1 second has been defined like that. This is the answer, and it is called cesium clock also. The question can be asked, or atomic clock, in your KBC. Now I can say that what I wanted to tell you in the beginning, that what will be the question. The standard of time 1 second has been defined by the scientist based on which of the following, based on which of the following, and there may be your different choices like this. First choice is based on the cesium clock, based on the rubidium clock, like that, or based on the gallium clock, or based on the mercury Hg clock. What I have written here, rubidium, gallium, mercury, cesium, these are the metals in liquid state. You know the atomic number of cesium is 55. The vibration, mainly the vibration of cesium has been taken, that is why it is being said as cesium clock, and this cesium clock has been kept in NIST. You should know these things. This will be the question, and this first one will be the answer. Cesium clock will be the answer for 1 crore rupees in KBC. The question can be asked also. Till now I think it has not been asked in KBC. So it has been in NIST laboratory at your Colorado in US. It is there in National Institute of Standard and Technology laboratory at Colorado in US. This cesium CS clock is there, and the scientists have that Kotler and Bagley have actually made these things, or have contributed for these things in 1964, and since then 1 second is being considered based on these things, and we are dealing with that.